whole new SYMA X15W is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X15W accessories assembly with us. Blade installation. There are two kinds of blades, positive and negative one. When blade is installed, please pay attention to the corresponding marks on blade. Install battery for aircraft. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. Turn off the aircraft. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. Now, mount mobile holder onto the controller and affix the mobile phone to the holder. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling. Define the front before opening the headless mode. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into the headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset. 3D rolling mode. Press the rolling button on the top right corner and then push the camera video mode. Press the button on the upper left corner to control aircraft's camera and video action mode. Push the throttle joystick and control the flight by tilting the mobile phone. Track mode. Draw a flight path on the screen, allowing the aircraft to fly according to the track. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission. SYMA X15W makes fly so easy.